I think the system Dr. GILAKI has designed is kind of a fresh and different lifestyle. So I've been using HomoCore for, I'd say, a few months now, and honestly, it kind of feels like the direction of my life has, I don't know, it's just kind of completely shifted. So there's a deep inner calm that honestly I just hadn't actually felt before. Like my thoughts, emotions, and decisions are kind of finally moving in the same direction, if that makes sense. So I used to constantly get stuck in, I think, loops of fear and anxiety, but now it's kind of like those limiting inner voices are finally kind of like just quieting down now. Instead of worrying, I feel grounded, I feel focused, I can actually kind of see what I want, and I feel capable of getting there, which is more important. I think what surprised me the most is just how my relationship with money has changed. So I started understanding its energy. I approach it more calmly. I stopped letting fear or I guess urgency dictate my choices. I'm guessing in a way, I kind of feel like my emotional intelligence has grown, so I'm making more conscious, intentional decisions. And my confidence is back. That old sense of failure or self-doubt, it's no longer in control. So now it kind of feels more like life is working with me, not against me. And yeah, I mean, everything is moving more smoothly. And with every step, I feel more aligned with who I really am.